The Clerk of the Legislative Assembly is an unelected officer of the House. That means he or she is not a politician, but an appointed officer of the Parliament. The main job of the Clerk is to advise members, including the Speaker, on matters of procedure. Procedure is all the elements that make up the order and business of a meeting or session of the Legislative Assembly. The Clerk, who is the senior of the group of clerks, sits here, and on the other side sits the Deputy Clerk or the Clerk Assistant. Clerks, because they are not members, will never vote or make speeches during a debate. However, they will stand to announce the long title of a bill at different times during its passage through the House.
Orders of the day.
Government business, order of the day number 1, Supply Bill 2017, second reading, adjourned debate.
Clerks also keep a note of all decisions, amendments, messages and reports presented in the House in a document called Votes and Proceedings.